Hello teachers, this is going to be an overview of the gradebook feature in Schoology, including how to set up the gradebook, how to use gradebook, and how to back it up. So the first thing is going to be checking the gradebook setup. Before you add any assignments or assessments, you need to make sure that you have categories created. Now, these are the categories we used in the summer. We have the assessment and we have the assignment. You'll also note that we had created weights for each of these. So the assignments had 90% of the weight and 10% were assessments. We may have different categories and weights for the upcoming school year. So make sure that it is set up and aligned however it is chosen. You can use the Add button to add categories, and then you just need to click in the box to establish whatever the weight's going to be. Make sure this is done before you add any assignments or assessments. I'm going to come over here to Materials now. As you can see, we have some assignments loaded in here. So students will come over here and they'll be able to take the assessments and the assignments. As you already know, assessments will be graded as the students complete them automatically. For assignments, however, you're going to need to open them up and then manually grade them. As they are turned in, they will be over here under Submissions. You will need to click on the individual assignment and give it a grade and feedback. Once grades are established, they are going to go over here to your gradebook, right down here. So as you can see, the top is going to show all the assignments and assessments. The bottom left side is going to be all the students in this particular course. As they start to earn grades, whether from assessments automatically or from grades that you have given them, they will start to automatically populate here. And as such, each time it's going to recalculate whatever their grade is and their average. If you want to manually change a grade, such as if I came over here, I could manually give this one a 70. And you can see over here, it turned green showing that it was changed. The manual clear or the overrides are going to be this icon here. That shows that the grades were added. You can also add notes. So like here, I could explain or leave a comment, and then I could click to make sure the student could see. Now, there's another important feature to make sure you know how to do, and that's using here to print reports. Doing this will allow you to basically save the gradebook, whether you need to send it as a progress report to a parent or if you're backing it up. So for instance, I've pulled this up. I can either select students individually, such if I just wanted to select one student to send a progress report, or if I was backing up all the grades, I could click here and do all the students. I come down to Generate Report. And now it's going to show a breakdown of all the students selected, all the assignments and grades, what they've earned, what they haven't attempted, and then their overall course grade. Now to save it, what you need to do is right-click, go down to Print. But instead of printing, you want to make sure the destination is set to Save as PDF. Hit Save, and then it'll ask you to create a name. Could be the student name and then, progress report, or however the naming convention will be, and then save.